Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video we will see Odoo 19's new feature, which is currency exchange rate update. In Odoo 18 we cannot update currency exchange rates during creating invoices or vendor bills, but Odoo 19 we can convert and change exchange rates. Let's jump to Odoo ERP database and see how this functionality will work, and we will go to accounting. First, we will enable some currencies. We will go to configuration, and here we can find currencies. Here you can see different currencies, but currently we have just one currency which is activated, which is also main currency of the company, and it is PKR. Let me also enable new currencies like USD, and let's activate. After activating, we can see we have now two activated currencies, Pakistani rupee and United States dollars. You can see there is no exchange rates applied on this currency. Now I will go to configuration, setting, and here in currencies you can find automatic currency rates, and we will get services from xc.com, and interval is daily. We can also change to manually, weekly and monthly, and here is next one will be on October 1st, and you can change your service provider like European Central Bank, xc.com, and etc. And after this we will run it and just save. After saving, now I will go to customers, invoices, and I will create a new invoice. I am selecting my test customer and add line. Before adding line, I will see, you can see our main currency is PKR. It is our default, and I will change currency to USD, and in one PKR there are 0.003536 USDs. We can change this amount to like 0.0345, 0.0345, and after doing this we will save this, and we'll add a line description like the test product and its price like 100, and now just you can see in USD it is 100, but we can also see in PKR. We will click on journal items, and here you can see it is converted into PKR, which is 2898.55 by using this exchange rates. So let me just confirm this, and you can see its exchange rate is according to our exchange rate. Similarly, we can also do this for vendor bills. Let me go to vendor bills, and let me create a new bill for test vendor rate and edit. May change the currency USD, and you can see automatically change it 0.003536. We can change it to 0.30345, and now just add line, add label, test product, and we can also add the product here. Just enable the product, and you can see now you can add the product here. Now let me add its price, like let's suppose it is also 100. Just save. After saving, we can see its journal items. It has converted this by using these exchange rates into PKR, which is 2898.55. So this was the new feature. This is the new feature of Odoo 19. You can put your exchange rates according to your business needs or according to your transactions. So thank you so much. If you need any further assistance or any new tutorial on any topic, you can put it in the comments, and I will create a new video on that topic. And for latest videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you need any assistance in Odoo consultancy, implementation or setup and training, you can also contact me. Thank you so much.